Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing a quick share on what I do to support my seasonal allergies with essential oils. So there are three main ways to use essential oils, right? Ingesting them, smelling them, or inhaling them, and applying them topically. So I'll go over all three of those methods specifically for allergies, but if you're not comfortable with one of the ways to use oils, then just skip through that part and do the others. But first way that I like to use essential oils for allergies is topically. So I actually need to make a new roller. This is an empty essential oil roller, and I'm going to make one. I don't have the carrier oil, but I'm going to show you how I like to make the roller. So peppermint, lemon, and lavender, lemon, lavender, peppermint, are the three main oils that people like to use to help support allergies, and that is for congestion, inflammation, kind of just calming, and it works really well. I didn't believe it at first when I first started with oils, but then I made this roller and it works so well. So I'm going to just put the essential oils in, just in case you're not familiar or you've never made an essential oil roller. This is how easy it is. So you take off that roller top, so you have the access to inside the bottle, and then for a bottle, this is a 10 milliliter essential oil roller. So the dilution rate should be, I think it's 3%, which is about 5 drops. I put about 3 to 5 drops in each 10 ml roller. You can do more or less depending on your preference too, but that's just what I like to do. So I'll do 2 or 3 drops of each oil, and really there is a little bit of a science, there is science to it, but if you mess it up or put one more drop than you're supposed to, it's okay. It's not like a specific dosage of medicine. You'll be okay. So that was 3 peppermint. This is lemon. Lemon has antioxidant properties. It's also phototoxic though, so you want to make sure that if you put lemon on your skin, that you don't want to go directly into the sun. It'll create a rash. That was lemon, and then here is lavender. If you have any questions on the brands we use, I'm not going to spend too much time talking about that in this video because I just want to quickly make this, whoops, for you guys. So that was 3-ish of lavender. And then what I will do is go get my coconut oil and fill it up to almost the top of this. And then you just put the roller back on the top and then put the lid on. And then where I like to use my allergy roller, oh, and you can make a label too, where I like to use this is like around my hairline, on my neck, kind of just around the head and chest area, on your chest, on your back. You can also put it on your feet. Your feet have large pores, so the oil will really get into the bloodstream that way. But I find this is really effective in overall symptoms of allergies. The next way that we can use oils to help with allergies is inhaling them. I almost said ingesting. So in inhaling essential oils, and this is my favorite way to do that. You can also add drops to your diffuser and works similarly. This does not change the state of the oil though. This is fume. It's an essential oil inhaler. So it's a hollow wooden inhaler, and then they have cores. So you can get a core that doesn't have anything on it and put your own lemon, lavender, peppermint, or they have a very special blend for allergies. It's lemon berry bliss, and it has lemon, lavender, peppermint, but it also has eucalyptus, ylang ylang, and I think a couple other oils to kind of just help with congestion and easing your symptoms of allergies. So it's really simple to use the fume. You just take a core out of here, you fray the end, so kind of peel apart the end so it stays in, and then you insert it in the opposite end that you breathe through. So put it into the bottom, and I give it a little tap. Then you just breathe in and out through your nose. And it is so fresh. So this helps, I think everything in combination kind of helps like all together. But if you don't have this, you want to just make a roller. If you don't have a roller, you want to diffuse. Choose what works best for you and see what works, with your body. But those are the ways that I like to use them mainly. Now the third way that you can use oils for allergies is in a little veggie capsule that you can, Young Living sells them. They are available on Amazon too. They're just empty little capsules that you can put essential oils in. I suggest diluting it with coconut oil too, but you just fill it up with 1 drop of each, and then put some coconut oil and take it internally. I don't think that's the most effective way. It's just another way. So if you don't have any of the other options, maybe that's an option that's good for you. But just wanted to mention it. It's not something I do regularly. I have in the past. I really like ingesting peppermint. It kind of gives you that just like cooling, refreshing, like awakening feeling, but I don't ingest them regularly. I wasn't expecting my allergies to hit me this quick in this spring because it's been super cold. I think it's like 19 degrees right now, so I wasn't expecting it and it hit me out of the blue. So this is what I'm doing, along with eye drops if I need to, but I usually don't. It doesn't get that bad usually. But let me know if you've tried any of these things. Let me know what you do for your allergies, like a more natural way. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. The link to shop all of my favorite oils and the fume will be in the description below. I hope you have a great day. Bye.